Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Blink Chime Kit is probably one of the most convenient additions to your smart home setup, ensuring you never miss a visitor, even when your phone is out of reach. This compact device provides instant audible alerts inside your house, complementing your Blink doorbell system. It's a simple yet effective solution for enhancing your home security and convenience, making it easier than ever to stay connected to your front door. Number 5. Newhouse Hardware CHM 2-Door Chime, White. This door chime offers the classic ding-dong sound for your front door. It also includes an additional connection for a separate chime for your rear or side door. It's a convenient and reliable choice. The cover measures 9 inches wide by 5 inches long. The base is 7 to 1/8 inches wide and 4 to 5/8 inches long. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your home. This chime is compatible with a 16-volt 10 VA or 16-volt 15 VA transformer, which is not included. You can easily find a compatible transformer by searching for 16TR or 3-tran. It features a smooth white modern finish and a vented cover for better sound projection. Installation is easy, connecting to your existing doorbell button and transformer. It's built to last. Please note that the doorbell button and transformer are not included. For a complete set, search for CKIT2, which includes the door chime, transformer, and door button. It also comes with a 2-year limited warranty. What we like. This chime offers 2 different sounds, so you instantly know which door someone is at. It's easy to install, blending seamlessly with your home's aesthetic. If you want a simple, reliable, and stylish solution for your front and back doors, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This door chime was relatively easy to install. The design is clean and minimal, which is what we were looking for. The chime sound is clear and it seems to function reliably every time. Number 4. Mubview Wireless Doorbell Camera. Tired of monthly fees? This doorbell camera offers lifetime free cloud storage and local storage options. It uses AES 256 encryption to keep your recordings safe and secure. See and speak to visitors in 1080p HD with the built-in microphone and speaker. The wide-angle lens and night vision ensure you can see everything, day or night. Receive instant alerts when motion is detected at your door. The AI human detection minimizes false alarms, and you can customize motion zones for tailored alerts. Enjoy a stable connection with the upgraded chip, and a long-lasting battery that can last up to 90 days on a single charge. You'll receive low battery warnings to keep the camera always functional. Multiple family members can connect to the camera and view live video. The voice changer offers added privacy, and pre-recorded messages help with interaction. What we like. This doorbell camera lets you skip the subscription fees and still enjoy cloud storage. It provides clear 1080p HD video and 2-way audio, so you can see and speak to visitors. If you are looking for a cost-effective, feature-rich doorbell with no hidden costs, this is the one. What people say. It shows clear recordings, or you can check it live from wherever you are on your phone. Real easy to install, and once you download the app there are many settings for you to get the camera working how you want it to. The day view is perfect and the night vision is amazing. Number 3. Ring Chime Pro, Wi-Fi Extender, Nightlight and Notification. This is the Ring Chime Pro, a 3-in-1 solution for your home. It extends your Wi-Fi, provides notifications, and even has a nightlight. It's designed to bring you convenience and peace of mind. Do you have Ring cameras or doorbells? This device extends your Wi-Fi signal up to 2,000 square feet. This boosts the network for all your Ring devices, ensuring a strong connection. Never miss a visitor or important event. You'll hear real-time notifications when your connected cameras and doorbells detect motion or when someone rings your doorbell. It keeps you informed. Setting up the Chime Pro is simple. Just plug it into a standard outlet and connect via Wi-Fi. It's designed for easy installation, so you can start using it right away. For added peace of mind, it includes a built-in nightlight that automatically turns on. You can customize the tones and volume, and even snooze alerts, all from the Ring app. It uses an 802.11b GN Wi-Fi connection, supporting both 2.4 and 5.0 GHz. This ensures a reliable and flexible connection for all your needs. What we like. This device extends your Wi-Fi signal, ensuring your Ring devices stay connected. It also provides real-time notifications and a built-in nightlight for added convenience. If you have multiple Ring devices and need to boost your Wi-Fi coverage, this is a must-have. What people say. The Ring Chime Pro took my home from, "Did someone ring the bell?" to, "I heard that from the bathroom with the fan on." Not only does it amplify your Ring alerts, but it also boosts your Wi-Fi signal for your Ring devices. It was able to connect to my flood light cam at the front of the garage where I was getting weak signal from my router. I went from RSSI-65 to -43 now. Number 2. Ring Chime, real-time notifications. This is the Ring Chime. It keeps you connected to your home's security. You'll never miss a visitor or important event. Get instant alerts when your Ring devices detect motion or someone rings your doorbell. It ensures you're always in the know, no matter where you are. Setting up is a breeze. Simply plug it into any standard outlet and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. It's that simple. Personalize your experience with a variety of tones and adjustable volume. You can also snooze alerts when needed, all through the Ring app. It uses a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, 802.11 BGN. This ensures a reliable connection to your home network. What we like. This chime provides instant notifications when someone rings your doorbell or triggers motion detection. It's incredibly easy to set up and allows you to customize the tones to your liking. If you like a simple, reliable chime that integrates seamlessly with your Ring system, this is a great option. What people say. Setup is effortless, requiring no extra configuration, and it offers a wide selection of chime tones to customize your experience. The sound is loud and clear, and I appreciate the variety of tone options and volume control. It was incredibly easy to set up, just plug it into a wall outlet, connect to Wi-Fi via the Ring app, and it's ready to go. Number 1. Newhouse Hardware 2-Note Electric Door Chime Kit. This is a modern door chime kit designed for easy hardwired installation. It's perfect for homes with 1 or 2 doors, providing a convenient and stylish solution for your entryway. The chime features 2 unique melodies. A 2-note chime signals the front door, while a single-note chime indicates the back door. This way, you'll always know which entrance your visitor is at. The included transformer is 16 VAC 10 VA and UL certified, ensuring safety and reliability. It's designed to provide the necessary power for the chime's operation, giving you peace of mind. Installation is a breeze. Simply mount it to an electrical box using the threaded connector or screws, then connect the wires. The surface mount push buttons are also easy to install on your doorframe or exterior wall. The door chime itself measures 9.13 by 5.38 by 1.5 inches, and the doorbell button is 7.8 by 5.8 by 2.34 inches. Both are white, blending seamlessly with your home's exterior. What we like. This kit provides distinct melodies for front and back doors, helping you differentiate visitors. It includes a transformer and is easy to install. If you are looking for a complete, hardwired solution with a clear distinction between your doors, consider this kit. What people say. It was very simple to install and just needed to connect the correct wiring from the front and back door. Works as intended. Simple wiring hooked right up to the existing system. Sound quality is louder than the old one and looks similar in style, and so far has been a reliable doorbell. Works fine and easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.